Here's a general formula for the weighted mean that can be used whether or not the weights add up to 1. So weighted mean is the sum as k goes from 1 to n, xk wk, all over the sum as k goes from 1 to n of wk. So it's each score times its weight in the numerator, add them all up, and then denominator just add up the weights. Example, find the weighted mean if x1 is 75, x2 is 73, x3 is 82, and x4 is 100. And the weights, w1 equals w2 equals w3 equals 1, and w4 is equal to 2. So if these were exam scores, the first 3 exams would each be weighted 1, and the final exam is weighted double. Okay, so let's plug into the formula. So we have the weighted mean is going to be I'll just write the formula over again. It's the summation as k goes from 1 to, in this case, 4 of xk wk all over the sum as k goes from 1 to 4 of wk. So that means it's x1 first exam times its weight plus x2 times its weight plus x3 times its weight plus x4 times its weight. And the whole thing divided by w1 plus w2 plus w3 plus w4. Okay, so the first exam is 75, it's weighted 1. Second exam 73, weighted 1. Third exam 82, weighted 1. Fourth exam 100, weighted double. Okay, and the weights 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, so this will be 75 times 1 is 75, 73 times 1 is 73, 82 times 1 is 82, 100 times 2 is 200, and if we add these up, 5 and 3 is 8, and 2 is 10, put down the 0, carry 1, 1 and 7 is 8, 15, 23, put down the 3, carry the 2, 2 and 2 is 4. So this is 430 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 would be 5. 5 into 430. 5 doesn't go into 4, it goes into 43 8 times. 8 times 5, 40. Remainder 3, bring down the 0. 5 into 30 goes 6 times. Remainder 0. So the weighted mean is 86. Just by way of contrast, let's compute the regular mean, just for comparison purposes. The regular mean we just add up all the weights divided by the number of scores. So it's 75 plus 73 plus 82 plus 100 divided by 4. So if we add these up, 75, 73, 82, 100. 5 and 3 is 8, and 2 is 10, put down the 0, carry the 1. 1 and 7 is 8, 7 is 15, 8 is 23, put down the 3, carry the 2, and 1 is 3. So this is going to be 330 divided by 4, 4 into 330. 4 doesn't go into 3, 4 into 33 goes 8 times. 8 times 4 is 32, subtract 1, bring down the 0. 4 into 10 goes 2 times, 2 times 4 is 8, remainder 2, bring down to 0, and 4 into 20 goes 5 times. So the the regular mean would be 82.5. The weighted mean, if the final exam is weighted double, would be 86. And that concludes this presentation.